Hi guys, I'm Somna. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another new video, and as you guys wanted this, that's why I'm making the part 6 and 7 of this video. I was supposed to end it at the 5th video, but as you guys want, so I think it will be a good thing to end it in my lucky number, which is 7. If you want any kind of this video in any topic, you can just comment down in the you can just comment, or you can just DM me over Insta. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, this video is all about 9 ways how you can reduce your stress, or these are some of the ways which can definitely help you. So let's get started with our video. Guys, the first point is practice deep breathing. Deep breathing is a very good way to reduce your anxiety level or stress level, because when you deep breathly, you send a message to your mind, so that your mind can send a message to your body to calm down. Everything goes in our mind only. So when we breathe deeply, we just communicate with our mind, which orders our body to calm down and relax. This is a very good thing, and those who are watching this video, everyone should practice deep breathing for 5 to 10 minutes in a day, because it keeps you calm and relaxed. Not only when you are stressed, or when you are in a bad mood or something, when your anxiety level increases, tabhi isko karna is a very good thing. But if you do this in a regular basis, this will help you a lot to live a healthy and happy life, because you will know when and how to calm yourself down, which is a very nice thing. क्योंकि आजकल तो सब गुस्से में से तांडव करते रहते हैं. So it's very necessary for us and our body to relax and calm down. तो ये बहुत अच्छा है, अगर आप डेली बेसिस में करोगे. This is going to help you in many other way also. So guys, our second point is meditate. Guys, meditation can help you in your blood pressure, heart problem, then anxiety level, depression. Meditation can bring you out of all this problem. You guys, just those who are not meditating, then I have a request for you guys. If you can sit calmly for 5 minutes in a day, practice this habit regularly, sitting 5 minutes in a day, and slowly your time is going to increase. But start with 5 minutes at least. Just sit down calmly and close your eyes. Then you don't need to control your breathing process. Just let it flow naturally. You just focus on the inhale and exhale of your breathing in this process. You just need to focus on that, and meditation brings you back to the moment over again and again. Meditation teaches you to live in the present, and it takes you out of the past and prepares you for the future. So it's a very good habit that you should follow it. You should do it in a regular basis, not only when you are stressed. So third point is spend some time with the nature. This is the one thing I love to do. Like I meditate every day, and I do it near the plants and the trees that upstairs. Early morning meditations are best, and completely depends on you when, how you can do it, but you should definitely do it. Don't ask yourself why you should do it, because you should do it. Why? You know that. So if it will be great if you, according to me, when you are around the nature and you meditate, that feels amazing. Like you feel so pure and relaxed. So मुझे ऐसा feel होता है. I don't know how many of you can relate. So yeah, spend some time with the nature and appreciate nature. दैट्स ऑल आई वांट टू से अबाउट नेचर, क्योंकि नेचर इज़ समथिंग, नेचर इज़ द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म एंड नेचर से तो प्यार है यार। नेचर के बारे में मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, बट या एवरीवन शुड स्पेंड सम टाइम विद द नेचर। घर में हमेशा घुस के मत रहो, यू नो, गो एंड सिट नियर द प्लांट्स। एंड सबके घर में छत पे तो आप बहुत सारे पेड़ पौधे लगाए ही होंगे, थोड़ा वहाँ जाके बैठो, स्पेंड सम टाइम, और यू टेक योर कॉफ़ी या फिर चाय विथ योर सेल्फ, गो ओवर देयर एंड सिट एंड मज़े ले लेकर पियो। बट या यू शुड स्पेंड सम टाइम विद द नेचर एटलीस्ट। गो टू द फोर्थ पॉइंट, दिस इज़ एन इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट आई थिंक, विच इज़ कि राइट डाउन योर वरीज। You know, when you don't want to speak or share some things with anyone, then this can help you. You can write down your own worries in a diary or a notebook, whatever is disturbing you. You know, it feels relaxed and light. हमेशा बहुत सारी चीज़ ऐसे होते हैं जो हम किसी को बता नहीं सकते हैं, एंड इट जस्ट हमारे दिमाग में ही वो चलता रहता है, जिसकी वजह से हम ज़्यादा टेंशन में रह जाते हैं। सो यू नो, स्ट्रेस लेके तो कुछ फ़ायदा होगा नहीं, बिकॉज वी कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट दैट। बट इफ़ यू इट्स लाइक कि इफ़ यू want to solve it and you think you cannot solve it alone, then please write it down in a diary or something, and then try to accept the reality and then try to accept the reality and don't take too much stress about it, because you know, when you write down your worries, sometimes it feels very good. I don't think sometimes बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब जब भी, if you know you can't share it with anyone, then write it down and you will see a difference. You will feel light, like these are the problems. Then you can focus on the solution, not only on the problems. Guys, fifth point is listen to soothing music. Soothing music, you know, there are many peaceful music, there are many thoughts music. If you don't know, then in JioSaavn या फिर Spotify, whatever you use, you can just go and in the search bar you can type over the soothing music, peaceful music, relaxed music. There will be many music, there are many. You can just listen to one or two. You will see when you are okay. You just try this once. If you are angry or you are just you know, you are in a hurry or in a panic mode and you don't know how to calm yourself down, just go and listen to some peaceful and slow music. It will help you. These are the tunes, okay, not the lyrics wala gana. No, these are some tunes, peaceful tune, yoga tune, meditation का भी tune, वो सब बहुत सारे music है. वहाँ से जाके कुछ भी एक सुन लो, you will see you are going to feel very nice. ये एक बार ट्राई करो, those who don't know, और जो करते हो then it's very good. जो लोग नहीं करते हो, just try this once. You will see the difference definitely. So guys, now let's come to the sixth point, which is my very favorite point, you can say, which is exercise, workout. You know what I do when I'm angry. हाँ, ये सब पता है, मुझे पता है कि मुझे गुस्सा अपना कैसे कंट्रोल करना है, गुस्सा को कैसे भगाना है, हाउ टू काम माई सेल्फ डाउन. आई नो एवरीथिंग. बट जब मैं गुस्सा होती हूँ और मुझे पता है कि नहीं, मुझे और थोड़ा गुस्सा करना है, यू नो, मुझे पता है कि हाँ, आई शुड काम माई डाउन. बट एट दैट सिचुएशन इफ़ यू काम योर सेल्फ डाउन, देन आप फंस जाओगे. ये होता है. अगर आप पहले वाले हो जाओगे कि आप समझ जाते हो, दिन प्रॉब्लम और बढ़ जाएगा, क्योंकि सामने वाला तो जान लिया ना कि आप ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो और आप हमेशा समझते ही रहोगे, तब ज़्यादा गुस्सा आएगा ना. तो व्हाट आई डू कि व्हेनेवर आई एम एंग्री एंड आई डोंट वांट टू काम माई सेल्फ डाउन, आई जस्ट गो एंड डू वर्कआउट. मतलब टबाटा के ऊपर टबाटा, दिन बैठ, आई डू एवरीथिंग. वर्कआउट पे सारा गुस्सा निकाल देती हूँ. then I feel so light. ऐसे भी whenever after every day when I work out, after that I feel relaxed. But जब मैं गुस्सा होती हूँ तब थोड़ा और ज़्यादा अच्छे से करती हूँ. मतलब ऐसे नॉर्मली मैं वीक में 2 दिन पुलअप करती हूँ, पर जब गुस्सा होती हूँ मैं पहले जाके पुलअप मारती हूँ, पुशअप मारती हूँ. मतलब all the intense workout, I go for all the intense workout, and it makes me happy actually. So yeah, I think the same, that it can also help you guys. So try it out. I'm not so sure if it's gonna help or not, but yeah, it works for me, so it can definitely help you, I think. The seventh point, this seventh point, many of you may relate, many of you may not relate. So the seventh point is कि spend some time with the people you love. Actually, जब गुस्सा होते हो, you are in stress and you don't want to share, और आप चाहते भी हो कि सामने वाला सब सुने, but you don't want to speak. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है, आप बताना चाहते नहीं हो, but at the same time you want to speak. ये बहुत जन के साथ हुआ होगा. हाँ, बताना है but नहीं, मुझे बताना भी नहीं है. I don't know why ऐसा होता है, क्यों है, but मेरे साथ भी ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ है. तो मेरे साथ जब ये होता है ना, I just call my people and I act weird. ठीक है, कुछ बोलते नहीं हूँ, चुपचाप रहती हूँ, ऐसे होती हूँ. Then they are going to ask me again and again, हुआ क्या है, कुछ नहीं, हुआ क्या है. Like they will ask me more than 100 times and then I am going to speak. ये होता है. I don't know why this happens, but yeah, जब आप चाहते हो कि सामने वाला को पता चले, आप मतलब सामने वाला means the people you love, you want them to know the things, then again you are like no, I don't want them to know. But when you are confused and I do this thing, जब मैं कभी कुछ बात होते हैं जो मैं बोलना नहीं चाहती हूँ, बट फिर नहीं बोलती हूँ, नहीं ऐसे कंफ्यूज रहती हूँ और कॉल मार देती हूँ. देन दे आर गोइंग टू आस्क मी क्या हुआ है एंड बहुत पूछने के बाद मैं बताती हूँ, फिर मज़े लेती हूँ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. सो ओके, 8th point is play with your pets if you have. It's for the people who have pets. When you are stressed or you are depressed or you are in a bad mood, you can just go and pamper your pets, or you can just play them. That will cheer you up definitely. 9th point is quit. Any guesses? Okay, 9th point is quit sugar, coffee and alcohol and समझ जाओ आप. ओके, अब इसके बाद प्लीज़ मुझे गाली मत दो. आप लोग तो बोलते हो कि ये सबसे वी फील रिलैक्स्ड, हमारा स्ट्रेस कम हो जाता है. जब व्हेन यू आर स्ट्रेस्ड पीपल गो एंड स्टार्ट स्मोकिंग, दे स्टार्ट ड्रिंकिंग. हाँ, हो रहा होगा, डेफिनेटली हो रहा होगा, नहीं तो इतने जन कर रहे हैं, वो सब क्या पागल है? इट्स हेल्पिंग मेनी ऑफ यू, आई नो. इतने जन कर रहे हैं मीन्स it plays a very vital role in many of your lives. So okay, but if it's doing wonders for you, if it is helping you in any way, okay, good. But it will help you at the time only. एक ही मतलब मोमेंट के लिए आपको अच्छा लगेगा, but it's very bad for your future. एंड वाई, हाउ, ये सब तो आपको पता ही है. जब आप कुछ कर रहे हो और आप मतलब वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, आप लोग सब जानते हो क्या सही है कि क्या गलत है. सो आई डोंट वांट टू स्पीक मोर अबाउट दिस, बट या, कॉफ़ी इज़ गुड, बट टू मच कॉफ़ी इज़ बैड, क्योंकि कैफीन बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. एंड सुगर इज़ वेरी 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 बैड फॉर आवर हेल्थ. सो ये वही बातें हैं जो आपको पता है, तो इसके बारे में मैं ज़्यादा डिस्कस करना नहीं चाहती हूँ. बट या, इफ़ यू कैन रिड्यूस इट, देन इट विल बी अ ग्रेट थिंग फॉर योर सेल्फ, नॉट फॉर मी. सो या, दैट्स ऑल. सो गाइज, थैंक you for watching this video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, then do comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.